How fresh it is. Hi friends! Hope you all are doing well and enjoying your summer vacation. As we all know that it is mango season, and here I have lots of mangoes. You can see here, and I will eat it and I'll enjoy it, and I hope you also enjoy it at home by eating mangoes, fruits, lychee and so many other fruits, right? Okay, let's enjoy it. And this is purely local one. It is not from market one. So you will see it, and it doesn't have any rotten inside also. It's very sweet as well. Now I'll cut and show you whether these mangoes are good or not. Let me start with this. Yeah, see, as I said, it is very good, no rotten inside. And not only this, okay, all these are good one. Kahamang se, kaisa pano kosok kere bisingo. Kibran tha thale amai. I thung kom and thong mani kutu mo. Let me eat. Sagaran nata. Now let me slice all this mango. See, the mango is very fresh and good. When you saw, no rotten is there. Kaisa pan kosok kure kahama yang unai de. Kaisa pan kosok mangala. Itu kaham o mango ta, and it is very tasty also. Thoma ni pama. Tabuk chasngai. Tui. Two plate. I'll challenge myself that I'll eat all these things. Too sweet also. Fresh. Yummy. Fresh one. What a fresh, no? One plate, almost done. How fresh it is. As it is now the season for all the fruits like mango, jackfruit, as we have said, lychee, and some other fruits as well. You should also eat at home as much as you can, because it is the season. And after the season, we don't get the fresh one you will get in the market, but all those are not fresh, right? So now it is the season, just pluck it from the tree itself and eat it. Make your stomach feel happy. Then only you will be happy. Now it's time for mango, jackfruit, Thai pung, Thai chok, Thai lychee rock na, and anaros also. Anaros na. Or they one also. You can eat. Amo bacamano. Fresh, le bini season ke. those who want to plant this mango, you can collect seed from me. You can contact me because hai mango nuya kota asa kabang mani se kai sapang kosomaya ko. One also I didn't get rotten one inside. All are good and fresh one, you see. So if you want to plant this mango, you can contact me. I'll help you to find out from where to get this plant. Rai penuh kerana si asakah na luka. Kita harus lihat nikah. Si fresh, ekdom fresh. Juice bersama dengan mana? Juice also, na? It will be very nice. The smell also good, not like other mango. Ang suno, caman siwo, tay caman liang, ikut tongko, orang tongko. And ini video asu nai, thank you so much. Nero kabang ma ke hamzang bagai. And thank you so much for supporting me, and I hope you will continue to support me. And thank you so much. And if you like this video, please share, comment, and subscribe it for those who have not yet subscribed it to my channel. Bye bye.